Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study dentistry in Australia. First, you need to understand the two primary pathways: direct entry undergraduate programs or postgraduate entry after completing a bachelor's degree. Both routes require strong academic performance, particularly in science subjects. We'll cover the specific prerequisites and application processes for each, ensuring you have a clear roadmap to achieving your dental career goals down under. Let's dive into the details. For the undergraduate pathway, you'll typically enroll in a 5 or 6-year Bachelor of Dental Surgery or Doctor of Dental Medicine program directly after high school. Universities look for exceptional academic results, especially in chemistry, biology, and physics. Many institutions also require you to sit an admissions test, such as the UCAT, to assess your aptitude. Research each university's specific entry requirements carefully, as they can vary significantly across institutions. Alternatively, the postgraduate pathway involves completing a bachelor's degree first, often in a science or health-related field. After your undergraduate studies, you can apply for a Doctor of Dental Medicine or similar postgraduate program, which typically spans 4 years. This route usually requires a strong GPA from your first degree and a competitive score on an admissions test like the GAMSAT or DAT. This path offers flexibility for those who discover dentistry later. Once you've chosen your pathway, prepare a strong application including all academic transcripts, a compelling personal statement, and any required test scores. If you're an international student, securing your student visa is a crucial next step. After graduation, you'll need to register with the Dental Board of Australia to practice. This journey requires dedication, but the reward of a fulfilling career in dentistry is immense. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.